Dear friends, in this video we will see how to update Google Chrome 100. Just go to browser, Google Chrome browser, in order to update your Chrome browser. So this is the Google Chrome browser. Now in order to update, go to right top corner, these three dots. This customize and control Google Chrome. Click three dots, then go to settings. Now in the settings, bottom left side, about Chrome, click about Chrome. Now once you click this about Chrome, it will start updating, and once updation is completed, you can click it in order to relaunch the Google Chrome. So let us wait for the Google Chrome to get relaunched. It is opening in Google Chrome browser with updated Google Chrome 100 version. Okay, now the Google Chrome has been updated to new Chrome 100. And there are special features in Google Chrome 100. You can protect yourself online with safety checks. Okay, then you can turn on enhanced safe browsing. So that is another specialty of Google Chrome 100. Another third feature is you can control website access to your location and device. Okay, so these are the previous and after. Now Google Chrome has been updated.